Spiritual meditation is like a bridge to divinity. It's a special ladder that connects earth to heaven, mistakes to truth, and suffering to peace. Every saint has climbed this ladder. Every sinner will eventually find it. And anyone seeking solace from the burdens of self and the world must take those first steps towards the home of the divine. Meditation is about immersing yourself in a thought or idea, really trying to understand it. Whatever you focus on in meditation becomes a part of you. If you dwell on selfish or negative thoughts, you'll become selfish and negative. But if you focus on purity and kindness, you'll become pure and kind. Your most intense thoughts reveal your journey towards pain or peace, towards becoming more divine or more selfish. Meditation isn't just daydreaming. It's a deliberate process of seeking truth, stripping away illusions, and embracing reality. It's a journey from darkness to light, from ignorance to understanding. Throughout history, great souls achieved enlightenment through meditation. Buddha became one with truth through meditation. Jesus found oneness with the divine through meditation. Meditation is the essence of prayer, a silent conversation with the eternal. It's more than just asking for things. It's about aligning your heart with truth. But meditation requires effort. You can't expect spiritual growth without putting in the work. It's like earning spiritual wages through diligent effort. If you truly seek truth, you'll prioritize it above everything else. You'll be willing to put in the effort needed to attain it. Meditation isn't just about finding peace. It's about understanding yourself. It's about recognizing your flaws and striving to overcome them. As you meditate, you'll gain inner strength and wisdom. You'll let go of selfish desires and find rest in eternal principles. Meditation leads to profound peace and a deeper connection with the divine. It's the path to truth, to God, and to ultimate fulfillment. So, embrace meditation as your journey to truth. Let your heart expand with love, your soul soar with aspiration, and your mind open to infinite possibilities. Through meditation, you'll experience the divine love, purity, and peace that reside within you. And you'll realize that you are one with the eternal, forever and always.